Welcome to A Great Cooker. I'm Serfronya. I have some frozen meatballs here. I actually formed and seasoned these by hand. I would tell you how long ago, but I didn't put a date on it. But maybe a month or two they've been in the freezer. And these do not have any breadcrumbs because I don't eat gluten. But I want to show you how you can take some raw frozen meatballs and cook those in your slow cooker. I've had this slow cooker for a while. I think maybe it's 7 quarts. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my meatballs in here. And I promise you this cannot get any easier. You just need a can or a jar of pasta sauce. This one is 24 ounces is all I need because I just want to cook these and have a bit of sauce that I can use later to make a sub. I'm gonna make meatball subs for my kids. It's one of their favorites and I haven't made it in years, I don't think. Just pour that all in. There we go. I added a little bit of water. Want to make sure I try to get all the sauce. There we go. Put the top on. And believe me, I am setting this to high, even though you can't see the settings anymore. Off, low, high. Actually, I want low. Off, low. I'm going to check on this in about 3 hours because my crock pot runs kind of hot.